Hello, everybody. This is Richard Daigle, and I just want to give you another little update about this fabulous program I found called secondsplash.com. The hottest advertising tool of the decade. It just changes everything. This is the video sales page, and I want to take you to my back office here and show you a little bit about these magic splash pages. This is my stats. In the 9 days that they've been open, I've gotten 145 people in my downline, and in 9 days, $930. This is it's just an incredible program, one that members just absolutely are going crazy for. And just in 9 days, the growth of this program has been tremendous. The first thing you do when you join this program, and I hope you do, I'll have my link at the bottom of here, and I only promote for my downline. So when you click that link, you'll be joining someone in my downline, and I'll also be promoting for you when you join them. So these are the special magic splash pages. I've made a few of them here, and one thing you'll notice is these views. 3,500 views, 6,100 views, 4,900 views. And this is something I promote very little, but my upline and downline, whenever they show their splash pages, mine get shown at the same time. So I want to show you how easy it is to make one of these splash pages. When you add a new splash page, they've got all these different background images you can use, and they're beautiful. I mean, so many of them. And you can also import an image if you have. I believe it's 600 by 300 is the image that you can use, and I can show you that too. But let's make a little simple one right now. Let's try the beach. That's a popular you can preview the image, what it looks like, and so we're going to make a splash out of that. So we're going to use this image, and you'll notice there's a placeholder for the words that you want to put on it, and all you got to do is put something like a day at the beach, and you can move this to anywhere you want it. If you want it more to the left, you can just put it there. You can highlight it. You can use all these different fonts, especially if you upgrade, which I highly recommend you do. You can use all these different fonts. Let's use that one. Boom, a big one. And you can highlight it. Yeah, let's put a little bit of red surrounding it and see what that looks like. Whoa, that's nice. Okay, and then once you like that, you go to step 2. And on step 2, it'll have what you did on the first one, and then it'll be a second one. So I can say, now let's see, join us and have fun making money. How's that? Okay. And again, you can move that. Say I want it a little bit more to the top, a little bit more to the left. There you go. How simple that is. And then if you want a call to action, it's very simple. They have all these call to actions. and what you do is you just pick the one you like. Tell me more. Okay, I'll use that. Tell me more. And since it's up there, we're going to move it down. We'll move over here. Tell me more. I'll make the size bigger. Boom. There you go. A day at the beach. Join us and have fun making money. Okay. You can remove that call to action if you want. You can just leave it as it is. Pique their interest. And people will click on these. So you save and go to step 3. On step 3, you just put the name of your campaign. I'll put Day at the Beach. And then there's you can put up to 60 characters that show alongside of it at social media sites. So you can say, you know, you can put anything you want to, but for brevity's sake, I'm just going to put money making is fun and easy. Okay, and then you can do it again. Say beach money for the lack of anything else. And then you just put the URL that you want. Let's see. I'll just use the link for Second Splash. Copy that. Go back over here. Put that here. Okay, and then save it. Boom. Like in less than 3 minutes, you can make one of these magic splash pages. And here you go. You got the link already. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, I copied it. I'll put it in another tab. And let's see what it looks like. The animation comes up, the anticipation, and boom, there it is. A day at the beach. Join us and have fun making money. Tell me more. They can click on that, and it takes them to your site. Your upline or downline has their splash page next to you. So whenever they promote, they're also showing yours. That's how you get this viral passive traffic that just increases every single day. Also, on the top and at the bottom are links that will they may say, wow, I like this system, you know, I want to check this out. So they click the link or click it here, and your link and your upline or downline's link is attached here. Sometimes you're at the top, sometimes you're at the bottom. They're random. But this is the way you can get signups and sales in Second Splash. And people are making lots of money just promoting their splash pages. And so you're not having to do anything different. So, you know, that's basically how you do it. And it's very simple. It's very easy. If you have your own images, you can add them. Let's see. I think I did one. I downloaded this image. Let's see. I downloaded this image. You know, I download quite a few that you can do if they're 600 by 300. Very simple, very easy. And all you do is just show that site. Along with your referrals and your upline, they'll be showing theirs, and your views and your clicks are going to just skyrocket. This is a big traffic generator. It's right now only 9 days old. So, I mean, first movers have the advantage here. So I really encourage you to sign up right now. Take the highest upgrade you can, make a splash page, and then start making these commissions. Okay, this is Richard Daigle. I'm signing out, and I thank you for listening.